Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing phrasal verbs and I'm going to explain to you what they are, why they're so important, how to use them a little bit, and then I'm going to give you a quiz. So stay tuned for that and let's get going. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, watch this video all the way through and send this to a friend of yours. That way I can help other people in the world. Let's get going. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with David. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools to sound natural in English, phrasal verbs. You hear them everywhere in songs, TV shows, and everyday conversations, but they often don't mean what you expect. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand them clearly and use them confidently. So listen carefully. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is a verb combined with one or more small words, usually a preposition or an adverb, to create a new meaning. Here are some examples. Put off, which means to delay something. Take in means to understand or absorb. And care for is to look after. So, one little word can change the entire meaning. This is why it's an intermediate lesson. And that's why, if you're intermediate level and you want to go advanced, I highly suggest to continue with this video. Native speakers use phrasal verbs all the time. So, if you want to sound fluent and natural, you need to learn them. They make you sound less robotic, more confident, and more connected to real English. Let's take a simple verb, run. Run means to move quickly on foot. I run every morning. But watch this. When we add out, run out, the meaning completely changes. Run out means to use all of something and have no more left. Example, we ran out of milk, so I went to buy some more. Okay? Again, I'll read it one more time. We ran out of milk, so I went to buy some more. So again, what does that mean? It means that we don't have any more milk left. All of the milk has been used. It's gone. We ran out of it. Use this when you've used everything up and nothing is left. Examples, we ran out of gas. She ran out of time. They ran out of ideas. So the structure, the pattern, it's ran out of plus a noun. Now we're going to do a quiz. Not just any kind of quiz, a countdown quiz. Are you ready? I am. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Number 1, I'm tired of all the noise from the construction next door. Is it A, I'm tired of putting up with, B, I'm tired of taking care of, or C, I'm tired of looking for all the noise from the construction next door? The correct answer is putting up with. Put up with, to tolerate or endure something unpleasant without changing. Number 2, she eased her fear of heights by taking climbing lessons. Is it A, getting over, B, giving up, or C, going on? The answer is getting over. Get over, recover from something, an illness, a fear, or a setback. For example, I'm getting over my fear of heights. 3. Can you how to use this new software? Can you A, figure out? Can you B, make out? Or can you C, can you turn out how to use this new software? The correct answer is, can you figure out? Figure out actually means to understand or solve after thinking. So if it's a software, you're trying to figure out this software. Number 4, we need to, the issue of budget cuts at the next meeting. Is it A, we need to get down, we need to bring up, or we need to come across the issue of budget cuts at the next meeting? The correct answer is we need to bring up the budget cuts. Bring up is to mention them or to introduce a topic. So in this case, it means more to mention them. Bring up or mention a new topic. Number 5, after years of saving, they finally, their mortgage. After years of saving, they finally set up their mortgage, they finally ran out of their mortgage, or they finally paid off their mortgage. The correct answer is paid off, which means finishing paying or the debt completely. And now we're really happy about it. Woohoo! 6, the kids, their old teacher at the mall yesterday. The kids ran out of their old teacher. The kids ran into their old teacher at the mall yesterday. Or the kids ran over their old teacher at the mall yesterday. Well, the correct answer is B, they ran into their old teacher. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly. When I lived in America, I all the time ran into friends that I knew from school. Number 7, please the new employees file for me. Is it please look up the new employees file for me? Is it please come up the new employees file for me? Or is it please turn up the new employees file for me? The correct answer is look up. We look up, it means to search for information in a source. So we're going to look up the new employee's information or file. Number 8, I can't with all the work that's been assigned this week. Is it I can't turn out with all the work that's been assigned this week? Is it I can't make up with all the work that's been assigned this week? Or is it I can't keep up with all the work that's been assigned with this week? The correct answer is keep up. Keep up with, stay at the same speed or level as. So here, let's say the speed of work, it's very high. You can't keep up with that speed. The pace is just too high, so you can't keep up with it. Number 9, the event because of the bad weather. Is it they called off the event because of the bad weather? They picked up the event because of the bad weather? Or they took after the event because of the bad weather? Which one sounds right to you? Well, the correct answer is they called off the event because of the bad weather. We call off things, which means to call off, it's to cancel something that's planned. You can call off an event, you can call off a lesson, you can call off even a meeting at work, or even we can call off a birthday party. Number 10, she's been her vacation for months now. She's been her vacation for months now. Is it she's been looking forward to her vacation for months now? She's been coming up with her vacation for months now? Or she's been setting out her vacation for months now? The correct answer is looking forward to her vacation. Looking forward to feel excited about something in the future. Okay? Here, she's looking forward to her vacation. I have a lot of students, they love to travel, and they all the time tell me, I'm looking forward to traveling to Japan. I'm looking forward to traveling to Thailand or to Poland, to all these fascinating places in the world. Okay, so now, from now on, we're going to choose the meaning when we have the phrasal verb. So, number 11, she decided to call off the meeting. Does this mean cancel the meeting or continue the meeting? The answer is cancel the meeting. So if we call off a meeting, it actually means canceling the meeting itself. So we're calling off the meeting today. 12, they are looking forward to the concert. Does it mean they are dreading the concert, or does it mean that they are excited about the concert? The correct answer is they're excited about the concert. Looking forward to means to feel excited about something in the future. "13, she finally decided to give in to his demands." So, to give in, does it mean to refuse his demands or to accept his demands? The correct answer is to accept his demands. To give in to means to finally agree after refusing. You finally agree after refusing. So you're giving in. He was able to pull off the surprise party. So, what does to pull off mean? Is it to ruin the surprise party or to successfully organize the surprise party? Well, it means to successfully organize the surprise party. Pull off, succeed at something difficult. He pulled off the surprise party. That was a success. They are trying to cut down on their expenses. Cut down. Does it mean increase their expenses or reduce their expenses? It means to reduce their expenses. Cut down on, reduce the amount of something. Cut down on your expenses. Cut down on the calories that you're eating every day. Those are examples of how we cut down on things, to reduce the amount of something. Number 16, the team needs to step up their performance. Does that mean to improve their performance or to lower their performance? It means to improve their performance. Step up, improve, or increase effort or performance. Okay, he's stepping up his game. Improving, increasing the performance, the effort. Step it up. Step up your English level. Let's go. 17, she wants to take up yoga this year. So take up. What does that mean? To stop yoga this year or to start practicing yoga this year? Well, the correct answer is to start practicing yoga this year. To take up can be to start a new hobby or activity. Okay? So at this point, she's going to take up yoga classes. Number 18, he needs to brush up on his Spanish. Does that mean brush up to forget his Spanish or to improve his Spanish? To brush up means to improve his Spanish. To brush up on, review, and improve a skill or knowledge. So sometimes when people say they haven't spoken English for a while, they say, oh, I need to brush up my English. That's why I'm taking English lessons with you. Number 19, the teacher asks the students to hand in their assignments. Does this mean to turn in their assignments or to throw away their assignments? To hand in. The correct answer is to turn in their assignments. Hand in is to submit the work or the assignment. So when the teacher asks from you, please hand in your assignment, you give it to her. And 20, we should figure out a solution to this problem. Does it mean to figure out mean to ignore this problem? Or does it mean to have a solution to this problem? A solution to this problem, to have a solution to this problem. That's what it means. To figure out a solution is to find or understand a solution. So maybe there's a problem with this machine here, the treadmill. So we have to figure out a solution, how to make this work. So think of all the phrasal verbs you know and try to use them in sentences in real life. Thank you again. Please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you soon at davidenglish.info.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.